Welcome to Wheelock! Today we're diving into some of the most shocking train crashes ever caught on camera.
What?
From unstoppable collisions to heart-stopping close calls, these moments highlight the immense power of trains and the dangers of a single mistake. Stay tuned for jaw-dropping footage you won't forget.
Stuck, I think.
Okay, what town are we in? Holy Mother of Moo Moo.
Got it rolling?
If you look closely, the first locomotive derailed upon impact with the truck, jumping off the track.
Just tell me he got out.
Did you have it rolling?
I didn't believe that.
Yes, I had it rolling.
I didn't believe that.
It was like watching TV.
Jump in the track.
Don't park too close to the tracks, because this is the consequence of it. Use your eyes and ears, don't waste them.
Hear him on the horn?
Don't copy this action, you can't predict everything. How did a shopping cart get there?
That thing got cream. Crackhead just lost their car.
Oh no. What a mess, Priscilla. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Oh!
Get out of here.
You don't ever want to be in trouble with a train. What a disaster. Hopefully the bridge structure will remain intact, and most importantly, everyone will be safe. How could the driver not see or hear the oncoming train?
Grande es la choco, porque todos los demás son unos lambes.
Las rolas del ranchero chido sin duda tiene que ser una de Michael Jackson, ¿no? La de Beat It.
Stay away if you see the situation because the car may rush towards you. I'm actually impressed at how quickly that train stopped. That could have gone a lot worse. Stay safe, everyone.
Se lo va a llevar, eso, quítate, güey. Hijo de su puta madre. Valió barriga. Les dije. Ni modo. Hay que echarle agua. Hay que documentarnos del operador para un interno, nomás eso. Pérdida total, pariente.
They shouldn't have left it near the train tracks. A small mistake could have led to a terrible thing.
Oh no. Hold on, Nalia. How did you not see that? Oh man.
Good thing he got out of the car.
Hey, are you okay? Oh man. Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh!
Oh my God!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my God!
Thankfully, the tanker car was not carrying hazardous materials, and no injuries were reported.
Newark officials say the women got confused at an intersection, mistakenly drove onto railroad tracks. Surveillance video shows the passenger getting out to push while the driver stayed behind the wheel. Cycling workers stopped to help, and that's when they heard the warning bells for an approaching. The driver eventually got out, and moments later, the train traveling 60 miles an hour barreled into the car.
Hope all the best will come to everyone.
Cycling workers says if the driver had stayed inside just 5 seconds longer, she would not have.
just got destroyed and it's derailed now. Oh great, now I got
With weak bridges, heavy vehicles should not pass through it. Never forget to look in the mirror when merging. Even when the traffic light turns yellow, don't speed up. Do not drink and drive to protect yourself and the lives of others. When going through a puddle, check the depth first, but it's best not to go through it. Slowing down at intersections should gradually become a habit for drivers.
Oh my god. You're right. You're doing right. You're right.
¡Bote lampón! ¡Bote lampón! ¡Bote lampón, güey!
It is necessary to improve the skills of drivers of large vehicles to avoid situations like this. white driver should have his brakes checked afterwards, as he didn't seem to be in good condition. That's why we don't use the phone while driving. The consequences will be very unpredictable.
Call mom. Đi chậm mình ngó, hả? Vào luôn. Quay đầu. Ui giời ơi, tai nạn luôn. Ui giời ơi. Đầu. Ui giời ơi, tai nạn luôn. Ui giời. Quay cam lại. Đi con mẹ con xe con. Ôi đi chậm thôi. Ai da.
Spraying water, you know it ain't actually. Oh.
Sometimes mistakes can also lead to disaster for others, so always be careful.
क्या वीडियो बनाई है हमने भाई।
Glad no one was hurt. The driver who was drunk may get charged for this.
Tá sem freio, cara, velho. Você tá doido? Eita porra! Morreu! Meu Deus do céu! Meu Deus do céu! Meu Deus do céu! Meu Deus!
Please slow down. No rush is worth a life. Fortunately, the collision did not cause any casualties. When people came to the rescue, they saw that the driver was only trapped and not injured. Be careful when turning, because you never know what will happen. On the highway, each car should be 10 to 15 meters apart for safety. Skidding on slippery roads on rainy days is a very common occurrence, so drivers should slow down. For heavy containers, more professional measures are needed to avoid this situation from happening. That's the end of today's video. Which train crash left you the most shocked? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gripping content. See you in the next one. WeLuck is your premier YouTube channel for everything related to collision situations, traffic, suspense, and much more. Don't miss out on the excitement. Subscribe now and let's embark on this adventure together.